Good morning, everyone. I'm going to show you how to use the calculator that comes with our textbook. So today we're going to learn how to use our calculator for finding mean, the 5-number summary, and also how to find mean of a frequency table. So you find the calculator by going to the course syllabus part of our Moodle page and going down under textbook, and I have something that's the link to the calculator. So go there, and the first one we're going to use is the one variable statistics calculator. So we're going to enter about 10 numbers here, maybe ages of kids that have been to a camp. So this is a sample of kids that have been to a camp. We've got a few 6-year-olds, some 7-year-olds that have been at the camp, a few 8-year-olds at the camp. Oops. A couple of 9-year-olds, a 10-year-old, 11-year-old, 12-year-old. Okay. And we're going to let this be a sample. Population is if you have everyone that attended the camp. This is just a sample of kids. Maybe we're going to ask them how they liked camp. Calculate gives us the mean. If you want the symbol for a mean, the symbol for a mean is X with a bar over it. So that's the symbol that we would use for a mean. It gives you your minimum, and this is called your 5-number summary. Q1, your median, Q3, which is your 75th percentile, your standard deviation. If it's your sample standard deviation, it would be S or maybe SX. Variance, we don't really do a lot with variance in this class. Interquartile range, we're not going to talk about that a lot, and then the sample size. Okay, so basically we just go to the one variable statistics calculator, enter all your numbers, calculate, we got it. Okay, back to the calculator menu. The next thing we're going to do is statistics from a frequency table. Okay, so suppose that we have data from people that got speeding tickets going down Rivers Street in Boone, and they got speeding tickets. And let me grab my data. Here we go. And some people were going between 32 and 35, so we average 32 and 35 and we get 33.5. Some people were going between 36 and 39, so if you average that we get 37.5. Some people were going between 40 and 43, so if you average that we get 41.5. Some people were going between 44 and 47, so that gives us 44.5. Some people were going between 48 and 51, so the average of that would be 49.5. That was the place I got my first speeding ticket. It's where my daughter got her first speeding ticket. There were 8 people that got a speeding ticket going this fast. 12 people got a speeding ticket going this fast. 20 people, 24 people, 12 people. Okay, so enter that data, and we want to know the mean speed that people got speeding tickets. So instead of saying 33.5, 33.5, 33.5, 8 times, and entering 37.5 12 times, and 41.5 20 times, we can enter it as a frequency table. This is also a sample. It's not everybody that ever got a speeding ticket in Boone driving through the middle of ASU. So this is a sample, so we'll tell it is a sample, and then come down and tell it to calculate. So the average speed was 42.6. You average your mean to one more decimal place than your original data. Our speeds were between like 32 to 35. We just got midpoints. But this is how you use your calculator. It is super easy. Super easy. Super easy. Okay. All right. So, and you'll see that we had 76 people that got speeding tickets. Not just 1, 2, 3, 4. There were just 4 rows. And so this came from a frequency table. And we have made frequency tables. Okay. So that's how we use these calculators.